Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will show you how to make a bread by using only a tablespoon without having to knead it at all. I used 340 milliliters warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 15 grams fresh yeast, and I mixed them together. Then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, stir, and add 270 grams all-purpose flour and mix well with a tablespoon. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, stir, and add the rest of 230 grams all-purpose flour. Make sure there is no remaining flour. The dough will be quite sticky, but this is not a problem at all. Cover with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel and let it rest until tripled in size, or for about 3 hours. 3 hours later, we place the dough on a well-floured surface and cover it well with more flour. Press it gently with your hands and fold it in half. Add more flour and then again fold it in the other half. Create a small ball out of it and place it on a prepared baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cut the top with a knife and then cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 30 more minutes. Bake it for about 40 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. That's it! As simple as that. The result is mouth-watering. A delicious bread with a memorable crunchy crust. Let me know in the comments your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell to get notified every week when I post a new recipe. Bon appetit, my dear food lovers, and take care!